France may be famous for its culture and history, but its natural wonders are just as impressive. From towering cliffs to serene lakes, it's time to discover some of the country's most breathtaking landscapes. Today, we're counting down the top 13 natural wonders in France you need to visit. Let's kick things off with the Etretat Cliffs in Normandy, a true spectacle of nature. These towering white chalk cliffs stand tall against the crashing waves of the English Channel, creating a dramatic coastal scene. The cliffs are famous for their natural arches, like the Porte d'Aval, and the iconic Needle, which rises sharply from the sea. These formations have inspired countless artists, including Claude Monet. Take a walk along the cliffside trails for unbeatable views, or enjoy the scenery from the charming beach below. Etretat is a perfect blend of raw natural beauty and artistic inspiration. Mont Aiguille is a striking limestone peak in the Vercors Massif that seems to rise straight out of the earth. Its sheer vertical walls and flat summit make it one of the most unique mountains in France. Dubbed the Inaccessible Mountain, it has fascinated climbers for centuries and was first ascended in 1492. Even if you're not a climber, the surrounding area offers stunning hikes with views of the mountain's imposing silhouette. The way it pierces the sky makes it a must-see for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Step back in time to the Lascaux Cave in the Dordogne region. This ancient cave is home to some of the world's most well-preserved prehistoric art, with paintings dating back over 17,000 years. The original cave is now closed to protect the delicate artwork, but the Lascaux Fort Center offers an incredible replica where you can admire these ancient masterpieces up close. The detailed depictions of animals like horses, deer, and bulls showcase the creativity and skill of early humans. It's a fascinating glimpse into our distant past, and a must-visit for history lovers. Calanques National Park, located between Marseille and Cassis, is a coastal paradise. Its dramatic limestone cliffs plunge into the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, creating narrow field-like inlets. The Calanques are perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, offering everything from kayaking and snorkeling to hiking and rock climbing. The most famous Calanque, Unveil, is a favorite for its secluded beach and crystal-clear waters. Whether you're exploring by boat or trekking along the cliffs, this park is a stunning showcase of France's southern coastline. The Cirque of Giovanni, located in the Pyrenees, is a natural amphitheater of epic proportions. The towering cliffs, which rise over 1,500 meters, create a dramatic and almost otherworldly landscape. In the center, you'll find the Grande Cascade, one of Europe's highest waterfalls, cascading down from the cliffs. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers some of the most breathtaking hiking trails in the Pyrenees, with views that will leave you in awe. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply a lover of stunning scenery, the Cirque of Giovanni is a must-visit destination. At number 25, we have the Dune of Pilote, Europe's tallest sand dune. Rising over 100 meters high, this incredible natural wonder is located on the Atlantic coast near Bordeaux. What makes the Dune of Pilote truly special is its unique location. On one side, you'll see the vast blue of the ocean, and on the other, a dense pine forest. Climbing to the top of the dune is a workout, but the panoramic views are absolutely worth it. It's a perfect spot to watch the sunset, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try sandboarding down its slopes. Aiguille du Drou is a striking granite peak in the Mont Blanc Massif that dominates the skyline near Chamonix. Standing at over 3,700 meters, its jagged silhouette has made it a favorite subject for photographers and mountaineers alike. The mountain is actually composed of two summits, the Grand Drou and the Petit Drou, each offering a unique view of the surrounding Alps. Whether you're admiring it from afar or embarking on a challenging climb, the Aiguille du Drou is a symbol of the rugged beauty of the French Alps. In the heart of the Auvergne region lies Puy-de-Dôme, a dormant volcano that's part of the Chaîne des Pays, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Rising over 1,400 meters, this natural wonder offers 360-degree views of the surrounding volcanic landscape. You can hike to the summit or take the panoramic train for a more relaxed journey. Once at the top, explore the remains of a Roman temple dedicated to Mercury, or simply soak in the stunning vistas. It's a fascinating blend of natural beauty and ancient history. The Camargue Salt Flats are a surreal natural wonder located in southern France. These sprawling salt pans, with their vibrant pink and purple hues, create an almost otherworldly landscape. The region is also home to an incredible array of wildlife, including flamingos, wild horses, and bulls. As you explore, you'll be treated to a unique ecosystem where salt harvesting has been a tradition for centuries. It's a photographer's dream and a must-visit for anyone seeking a one-of-a-kind experience. The Valin Salt Plateau is a sight to behold, especially during the summer months when its vast fields of lavender are in full bloom. Located in Provence, this plateau transforms into a sea of purple, with the air filled with the calming scent of lavender. It's one of the most iconic and tranquil landscapes in France. Visitors can stroll through the fields, capture stunning photos, or visit local distilleries to learn about the production of lavender oils and perfumes. It's pure sensory bliss. Verdun Gorge, often called the Grand Canyon of Europe, is a spectacular river canyon in southeastern France. The Verdun River, with its striking turquoise waters, carves through towering limestone cliffs that rise up to 700 meters. This natural wonder is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for kayaking, hiking, and even paragliding. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, take a scenic drive along the rim or enjoy a leisurely boat ride through the gorge. Either way, the view's unforgettable. The Harrison Waterfalls is a series of breathtaking waterfalls nestled in the Jura Mountains. There are over 30 cascades along a scenic trail, with the most famous being the Ebentail and the Grand Sault. These waterfalls are surrounded by dense forests, making it a serene and refreshing escape into nature. The trail is relatively easy, allowing visitors of all ages to enjoy the sights and sounds of cascading water. It's an ideal spot for a peaceful hike or a picnic by the water. Lake Annecy, often called the Pearl of the French Alps, is a stunning glacial lake known for its clear, turquoise waters. Surrounded by mountains, the lake is perfect for swimming, sailing, and paddleboarding. Along the shores, you'll find charming villages and plenty of opportunities for cycling and hiking. The nearby town of Annecy is equally enchanting, with its canals and medieval architecture. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Lake Annecy is a must-visit destination. Porquerolles Island is a hidden gem off the southern coast of France. This small island boasts untouched natural beauty, with white sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and lush pine forests. The island is part of the Porquerolles National Park, ensuring its landscapes remain pristine. It's a perfect spot for cycling, hiking, and snorkeling. With no cars allowed, the island offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the mainland. It's like stepping into paradise. The Tarn Gorges in southern France is a breathtaking canyon carved by the Tarn River. The steep limestone cliffs rise dramatically on either side of the river, creating a stunning natural corridor. Visitors can explore the gorge by canoe, kayak, or paddleboard, drifting along the serene waters while marveling at the towering cliffs. The area is also popular for rock climbing and hiking, with trails offering panoramic views. It's a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. Cevennes National Park is a UNESCO-listed site, known for its diverse landscapes and rich biodiversity. From rugged mountains and deep valleys to peaceful meadows and forests, this park offers a little bit of everything. It's an ideal destination for hiking and wildlife spotting, with chances to see rare species like the golden eagle. The traditional stone villages and ancient chestnut groves add a cultural touch to this natural haven. At number 14, we have Pont d'Arc, a magnificent natural stone arch in the Ardèche region. This 54-meter-high arch spans the Ardèche River, forming a stunning gateway to the famous gorges de l'Ardèche. The area is a hotspot for kayaking and canoeing, offering visitors a unique way to experience this natural wonder up close. For those who prefer to stay on land, the surrounding trails provide fantastic views of the arch and the river. It's an iconic landmark that showcases the power of nature's artistry. Lake of St. Croix is an artificial lake with natural charm, located at the base of the Verdun Gorge. Its striking turquoise waters are perfect for swimming, sailing, and paddleboarding. Surrounded by rolling hills and lush greenery, the lake offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. You can rent a pedal boat and explore the lake's quieter corners, or simply relax on one of its many beaches. The combination of calm waters and scenic beauty makes it a favorite among nature lovers. Aiguilles de Bivella, or the Bivella Needles, is a collection of dramatic, jagged peaks in Corsica. These towering rock formations, surrounded by dense pine forests, create a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. The area is crisscrossed by hiking trails, including the famous Geo20, offering stunning views of the peaks and valleys. The Col de Bivella, a mountain pass, is a must-visit for its panoramic vistas. Whether you're trekking through the forest or gazing up at the rugged spires, this natural wonder will leave you in awe. Nestled high in the French Alps near Chamonix, White Lake is a pristine glacial lake with crystal-clear waters. The lake offers stunning reflections of the surrounding Mont Blanc Massif, creating a picture-perfect scene. Reaching White Lake requires a hike, but the journey is well worth it, with panoramic views along the way. Once at the lake, you'll find yourself immersed in the serene beauty of the alpine landscape. It's a must-visit for anyone exploring the Mont Blanc region. Saint Victoire Mountain, located in Provence, is a stunning limestone ridge that has inspired artists for centuries, including Paul Cézanne. The mountain's stark, rocky slopes contrast beautifully with the surrounding vineyards and olive groves. Hikers can ascend its trails for panoramic views of the Provençal countryside. Whether you're an art lover, a hiker, or simply someone seeking natural beauty, Saint Victoire Mountain offers a serene and inspiring experience. Hadirac Chasm is an awe-inspiring cave system in southwestern France. The journey begins with a descent into a massive sinkhole, followed by a boat ride along an underground river. As you glide through the dimly lit caverns, you'll be surrounded by towering stalactites and stalagmites. The cave's immense chambers and intricate rock formations make it one of the most impressive natural wonders in France. It's an unforgettable underground adventure. The Lavezzi Islands, a group of small granite islands off the southern coast of Corsica, are a slice of paradise. These islands boast crystal clear waters, hidden coves, and unspoiled beaches. Accessible only by boat, they offer a peaceful retreat for snorkeling, swimming, and sunbathing. The rugged beauty of the islands, combined with their serene atmosphere, makes them one of the most beautiful spots in France's Mediterranean. Pic du Midi de Bigorre, located in the Pyrenees, offers one of the best panoramic views in France. At over 2,800 meters, this mountain is home to a renowned astronomical observatory. Visitors can take a cable car to the summit, where they'll be treated to sweeping views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. On clear nights, the stargazing experience here is unparalleled. It's a breathtaking destination both day and night. The Organs of Île-sur-Tête is a striking geological formation in the Pyrenees Orientals. The sandstone columns, shaped by centuries of erosion, resemble the pipes of a giant organ. The formations are surrounded by a desert-like landscape, creating a stark contrast to the lush valleys nearby. Walking through this surreal environment feels like stepping onto another planet. It's a must-see for geology enthusiasts and photographers alike. Calanque d'Enveil is arguably the most beautiful calanque in Calanques National Park. This narrow inlet, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, leads to a small pebble beach with dazzling turquoise waters. Accessible by boat or a challenging hike, Enveil is perfect for those seeking a secluded and pristine natural setting. It's a great spot for swimming, snorkeling, or simply soaking in the beauty of this Mediterranean gem. Pointe du Raz, located in Brittany, is one of the most dramatic coastal landscapes in France. The rugged cliffs here jut out into the Atlantic, where fierce waves crash against the rocks. This windswept point offers stunning views of the open sea and the nearby Isle du Cygne. It's a favorite spot for nature lovers and photographers, especially during sunset when the cliffs are bathed in golden light. Mont Saint-Michel Bay is a unique natural wonder, famous for its dramatic tides. When the tide is low, the bay transforms into vast tidal flats, creating a surreal and ever-changing landscape. Visitors can explore the bay on guided walks, learning about the local ecosystem and the phenomenon of quicksand. The sight of Mont Saint-Michel rising from the bay adds a magical touch to this already breathtaking setting. Mont Blanc, the highest mountain in the Alps and Western Europe, is a symbol of grandeur. Standing at 4,810 meters, it attracts mountaineers and adventurers from around the globe. Even if climbing isn't your thing, you can take the Aiguille du Midi cable car for jaw-dropping views of the summit and surrounding peaks. Whether you're skiing, hiking, or simply marveling at its beauty, Mont Blanc is a testament to the power and majesty of nature. And finally, at number 1, we have Calanque de Sormieu, a true gem of southern France. This Calanque features crystal clear waters, dramatic limestone cliffs, and a serene atmosphere. It's a paradise for swimmers, snorkelers, and kayakers. Sormieu is one of the most accessible calanques, yet it retains a sense of seclusion and tranquility. It's the perfect place to end our journey through France's natural wonders. Trust us, once you visit, you'll never want to leave. There you have it, the top 13 natural wonders of France. Which one are you adding to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration.